I hate OBS. As I said, it is fluctuating. I need to check part 3 is live or not. Waiting for paradox to load. Fuck. What the fuck is this? I need to check part 3 is. Alright, we are live on YouTube. So, again, this is part 3 where we will be continuing what we were saying in a previous live. I hate OBS, it is disconnecting the live and our screen is broken. Fuck. So, this is like creating low, low, low. So, what we're waiting for? Mm, Weekly to go bearish. And yes, weekly is certainly bearish. But गर्मी हो रही है. What we are looking for? 4 hours. Man. So what we are looking for? 4 hours retracement. 4 hours in previous daily to go bearish and retrace. Okay, so this is bearish. This is bearish. This is like high, and this is beautiful rejection. We can say here. बाप रे बहुत गर्म हो गया एक मिनट. I have kept the Sitranji. So, brother, this is weekly rejection from that area of interest. Weekly EMA. Is this any wick? Perfect. This is indecision candle. Brother, this is going to go down. This is going to go down. It needs to go down. I mean, why the why this daily is bullish? Certainly need to check it. Daily needs to go bearish. And it has to go bearish. So it needs to go bearish. It needs to go bearish. So 4 hours. Oh my god. 4 hours. फटाफट करेंगे यार अभी. 4 hours is so right now 4 hours is bullish. 4 hours higher and 4 hours higher low. I mean I want 4 hours to go bearish. 4 hours to go bearish. 4 hours to go bearish. I want 4 hours to go bearish. So daily, we can neglect that daily is having an engulfing candle on this area of interest, which is this engulfing candle. Is a considered engulfing candle, but we can also neglect that we are looking for selling on weekly. Continue. This is super, super high risk. The next is we need 4 hours to go bearish. If 4 hours is getting bearish, daily to go bearish as well. Of course, I'm looking for daily, but no. Before we no, check the daily candle once the 4 hours got bearish. This is what I want to trade until daily get bearish. Yes. Are we going to shortlist? Yeah, we can. How much days we need? 1 day. Waiting time is equals to 1 day. Eurocat. क्या है ये? Waiting for area of interest. This is, what the fuck is this, brother? This is like bullish. This is this. This is going to get bearish. What the monthly is doing? Probably. It has to create the elbow, brother. It just can't go like this. It has to create the elbow. So looking for sell here. Yes, weekly is going to go bearish. Man, my face. Weekly to go bearish. I need. Man, this is getting super hard now. I need daily to go bearish before weekly get bearish. This is down. Certainly, this could be a high risk trade if we take the trade based on what I'm saying. Mm, yeah, 4 hours. Yeah. I will be looking for if daily candle close below this area of interest, retrace and then go down. I'm certainly looking for taking a trade. Cool. If weekly, this will also make weekly like kind of bearish, but we will be selling on the without confirmation weekly. Oh no, we should literally wait for the confirmation. Just wait. I want weekly to go bearish. That is what I want. Looking for sell. Waiting equals to 1 week. So now if weekly is going to go bearish, daily will certainly be bullish. So we'll be taking a trade based on a weekly and 4 hours. Right now I'm good. Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, so weekly, sorry, monthly needs to come here. Oh, oh yes, monthly needs to create the higher low. How it is going to create the higher low? A big red, big. It can't go up, brother. It just can't go up. It is impossible to go up because I know this. I know this. If it is going up, where will the higher low? Here? It just doesn't work like that. It needs to create that bearish, certainly engulfing candle, then it can go up. That will be a new higher low for that new higher high. Weekly, certainly weekly, I'm looking for sell here. Um, oh, that is a prediction for the next week. So let's talk about for the current week. Let's delete this. For the current week, this is looking for selling pressure. I will definitely look for sells, not for buys. They, yeah, daily got bearish. Retrace now. We have stopped. We have lost. We have the loss here. We'll delete that. Oh my goodness. This is going to go down. Previously I said this is going to go down. Have it gone down? No, of course not. It haven't gone down. It we hit the stop loss. Previously it was like this was a Monday, right? This was ongoing. So over here this got confirmed with the doji candle. This is a daily doji candle and I'm this sure that 4 hours will got bearish in this daily doji candle. Now the next candle is going to continue the bearish trend. This doji candle is getting confirmed with this bearish candle. So 4 hours is certainly bullish, which is kind of rare in this case because that doji candle is just a candle where the 4 hours where the 4 hours is going to go bearish. But in this case, it haven't. In this case, it haven't happened. So we need to clarify more one thing. I want 4 hours to go bearish. Brother, this was also the good trade. Okay, this is also like one one setup, two setup. Ah, this was a good setup. One, two trades. So you see this the the what we can say. The highs are getting lower and lower. Just to break down, come up. This is beautiful. Okay, I can literally see the things. So to take the highly confirmation trade, what I want is for us to go bearish. Um, in particular case, how I need the for us to go bearish. This could go up, take the stop losses of all these trades, liquidity sweep बोलते हैं उसको, and then go down, retrace to this area of interest and go down. And what about daily? Daily, oh my, कसं सांगू, this is kind of working thing. Brother, this is the exact same pattern. I can't repeat this. I can't repeat this it. I will show you. I'll just show you. This pattern, what I saw, what I share to share with you, this pattern is exactly same here. One green candle, one doji candle, and then one like one continuation, and next candle is like taking all the stop losses, the wick, and continue. This exact same here. Exact same. Whether there is one like continuation, there is this doji, and next candle is like toof. Whether I literally can't make this. This is what market is saying. Advance 720. We are live. Brother, I want 4 hours to go bullish. I need 4 hours to go bearish at any cost. Most probably, I want this thing, but the less probable we can just come down like this. मेरे हाथ दुख रहे हैं अभी eyes दुख रहे I want 4 hours to go bearish retrace and then go down, but this is low probable. This is thumb. This is a low probable. This is a very highly probable. It is going to be happen the way it is going to be happen, brother. So let's just where is the TRM of this trade relationship management? So 4 hours to go bearish. Oh, oh. 4 hours to go bearish, and waiting is like 1 day. So the daily is bearish. 4 hours is certainly bullish. बहुत ब्राइटनेस हुआ यार इसका. अच्छा लगा भाई. So weekly certainly bullish. So we are going to take the trade on based on a daily and the 4 hours. So I want this is going to be happen. Very I mean I'm just sure that this is going to be happen like 98% we can say this is going to be happen. This move is going to happen, and rest 2% I will give for this move for sure. I'm shortlisting this. I'm shortlisting this trade. GPNZD. This move is going to happen, and rest 2%. Yeah, we are live. We are live. Oh, there is loading, brother. Well, this auto quality. I don't want loading. If loading is there, then yeah. What is this? This is high. This is like going nowhere. This is super sideways. We should be stay away from this. Yeah, we will be staying away. I don't want to get involved in this. Audio SD, super sideways. This is like bearish. I want this. I'm looking for weekly to go bearish. I'm this sure that weekly is going to go bearish. I'm looking for sells here. Maybe daily is bearish. Previously we have wrote it is bearish. So yes, daily is. Oh my! I'm going to look for this trade. Daily is bearish here. Also doji candle. Most probably the 4 hours is bearish. Most probably. No, 4 hours is not bearish. So I know what I know. I know what I want. You know what I want. Dito. Oh. Dito. Will be purchasing a new luck. Down. I'm this sure about this. I want 4 hours to go bearish. In this particular case, I want 4 hours to go bearish. Right now it's a bullish. I want 4 hours to go bearish. That is only what I want to look for sales. 4 hours to go bearish. Waiting for weekly to go bearish. We'll wait for that one. Waiting. आहे ना. ती मी घेतली. टाकतो लगेच टाकतो. एकच मिनिट. Go. ते बंद कर देतात झोपत नाही उगत लावलं ते. hope the camera is working. Yes, we are live. So yeah, I'm waiting for one day. Is it high risk trade? Yes. High risk, both low gap brightness. This is a high risk trade. Why? Uh, Daily is bearish and weekly is bullish. Weekly we are selling on the weekly pre structure area, which is kind of high, but most, I mean, there is very high probability that it is weekly is going to go bearish. So why not to make money on that move, right? So also sailors are coming into picture. See. I'm saying this, brother. I want for us to go bearish. The way we can do one thing, I mean, get bullish and then get bearish from this previous structure. I mean, this structure retracement and go down. This is one way it can get bearish. The second way is like this is a higher low. This can get bearish to this and then go down. For us to go bearish, one day risk trade, high risk. USD CAD. Yes, we are live. The camera needs to go down more. So, monthly, monthly. Man, this is retracement to this area of interest after this breakout. Beautiful engulfing. This thing is going. This thing is going to go up. This thing is going to go up now. Oh, again, this is like a doji candle, but there is certainly equal things. But then after doji, there is a one green candle. Is confirmation of the doji candle. That is super low camera. So also, this is like daily EMA touching. That was worst. So it is going to go most probably up from here. USD CAD. I want for us to go bullish. Certainly, this is also like a trend is getting formed. Can we consider this? Yes, we can consider this, but we should not consider this. Why? Because we haven't have a confirmation. I can take that. I can take such trade onto my funded account. That's all. Um, this is variation pattern. This is also variation. There is one setup here. I hit the stock, take profit. There is one setup here. It is still pending. Um, I need for us to go. I need for us to go bullish. Right now, it's certainly bearish. I just can't take the trade. Certainly, the things that I have learned from the course is like this is left leg, right leg, left. Sorry, whatever this is, but this is forming a trend. This is like higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now it is going to aim for higher high. Certainly, I can take this trade based on what I have learned. If it is not relating to Alex Gonzalez trending things, I will definitely wait for the 4 hours to go bullish. The way the 4 hours can go bullish is certainly comes here, get bearish and then get bullish, or else certainly directly go up and then retrace and then go up. This one for us to go bullish if we wanted to take the trade. Plus, this is also the high risk trade because we are selling on to the weekly retracement previous structure area, which is super high risk. I'm shortlisting this trade just because of I want for us to go bullish. That's all. Euro CHF. This is super low, super choppy. Stay away. CHF JPY in the trade. Oh, yeah. Yes, I have predicted that this is a left leg. This is going to be creating a new structure area, which haven't, but it have tried it. Also, if I haven't trailed my stop loss to 1:1, I will be at the same place. Hold on. So we can see the sellers are coming into picture. So this is doji candle also confirmed with the bearish engulfing candle. So this is weird candle which this should not get formed here, which is showing that buyers also into picture. So this is like now it is getting sideways. We should be avoiding this trade, but I will literally should avoid this trade. I'm good with this. So because it is getting sideways, we don't want this. Also, we can see like the the buyers are coming to picture in weekly time frame. Um, this is like super buyers. It this can also like an indication that the move is kind of done and it is going to go up. So we need daily confirmation. Daily to go bullish. So right now I'm just neutral in this. I don't want to take the trade because it's super sideways and no, I don't want to. This is too low. Will be away from this. So this is like a doji candle. We can literally buy this. We can't buy this because this is fully fake out. It needs to fill this wick. So it has to come down. Right now it is showing the pressure of buyers, but this is super fake out because it needs to fill that wick. मेरे को नींद आ रही है. फटाफट फिनिश कर देंगे. यूरो एनजेडी. The sellers are coming to picture, but we have to fill this wick. Weekly is going to go bullish and retrace. This is 826, 34. Oh, 26 यहाँ पे, 34 यहाँ पे. Again, 8, 826, 834, 26, 34. Which is up. That means it has created new higher high. This is weird. Okay, I mean this is not good trend. Just stay away from this. What is this? This sideways. This is sideways. I don't think so. It's sideways. It was sideways, but it is now. It is not a. It is now not a sideways. I'm so sleepy like now. And this was sideways. Higher low. We need to come up here to fill this view, fill this move. Certainly, weekly is. This is not a good trade. This is super sideways. Yes, it is a sideways. Say this. I want trendy market brother. See कितना sideways है यार ये. I'm good with this odd NZD. Just get out. CAT CHF, this is too low. No. NZD CHF, this is too low. Cool. USD CHF, say too low. This is too low. There is no too low here. We need to analyze this. Hold on. Okay, this is also too low. Just copy this and place this here.